How is everyone doing today? It's Mystery Play Package 315. I'm grabbing right from the front of the pile. I like the feel of it. I like the smell. Looks like it's a yellow rectangle with a new rectangle inside. What do you think it is? Mystery Play Package 315. That's what it is. Have you followed me over to YouTube yet? Are you watching me somewhere else? Drop a comment. Let me know. Tell me what you're up to. What's going on? Because I want to know. Oh, you guys are going to like this one. It's black and white. And from South America. We got another plate from Chile. From Nacagua province. SXA 018. It's got the cool little seal in there in the back. It says something on the back. In March of 2000, someone paid $2.75 for this plate. I think this come from Chester's. If you know Chester, you know Chester. I think that's where it come from. Are you watching my video, Chester? Drop a comment. Let me know. Hope you guys all are on YouTube and follow me over. Because special features, we're going to see what we can find out about Chile. Mystery Plate Package 315. I told you, I'm losing my mind. It's getting crazy in here. It's getting crazy. Let's hang this guy right up here. Right underneath this South Dakota sample that we seen not too long ago. Mystery Plate Package 315. Now I'm going to the special features. Woo! It's time. It's time. It's special features time. Mystery Plate Package 315. Chile 1983. Again, South America. I couldn't find much information. I found some cool old Chile plates though. Like this 1918 silver on red flat metal. Super cool. I love that survived. How awesome is that thing? Let me jump ahead to 51. We got some green and white. And then 54. 54 is super cool. Blue and yellow. Baby blue and yellow. Every plate should look like that. How cool a color is that? Chile. 1983 Chile. I found a black and orange one from 61. And then this 1980 plate from Easter Island, I think. Blue and white bust plate. I want an Easter Island plate. That'd be cool. Someday. I'll make it there. Someday. Chile. Wouldn't you like to go to Chile? Are you in Chile? Are you watching from Chile? Tell me what it's like. Tell me all about Chile. I want to know. Because I want to go there someday. We got an 83 base. Another one to show you that isn't white and black. It's white and red for the taxi. A little different. And then this 2018 Chile base that's like black and orange. I don't know if it's for a normal passenger or something else, but it's the newest one I could find. I thought it was pretty cool. It's easier to find old plates like that 1918 than it was to find this 2018. 100-year difference, and it's harder to find the new one. How weird is that? Chile. Mystery Plate Package. Special features. 315. Are you enjoying the show? Drop a comment. Let's look at that blue plate again. It's super cool. And that's all there is to tell you about Chile and this special feature. So have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Go on an adventure. Go to South America. Check out Chile. Go to Easter Island. See those big heads. See if they actually talk. See what the mystery is. I don't know. Do whatever you want. It's your life. Make your own decisions. But hit that subscribe button. I'm only the crazy license plate guy. I got things to go do. Woo! Shout out, thanks to alpka.org again. Awesome plates on the archive. Become a member today. alpka.org. Check out all the cool, awesome plates there are. Members, magazines, meets. Start collecting license plates. It's the place to be. Okay, I'm out of here.